Oh, hey there. My name's Jack, and I have a confession to make. I'm absolutely obsessed with machine learning. Hey, who isn't, right? I also enjoy writing Python code and articles. That's inside my head.
Hello guys, welcome back to Data Bytes. So today we are going to explore on this Sonar AI which have emotions. So basically, as you can see on this Sonar website, there isn't much to look at, but you can see hearing is breathing foundational models for audio AI. And when you look about the about page, uh, about Sono builds a foundational audio AI. Our AI model enables developers and creatives to generate hyperrealistic speech, music, and sound effects, powering personalized, interactive, and engaging experience across gaming, social media, entertainment, and more. So, when you check on the Hugging Face page on their model, which is called back, you can be able to generate a sound with some emotions. So you have to either enter these emotions in between your sentences. As you can as well see here, there is a back support various languages out of the box and automatically determines language from the input text. So when prompted with code switched text, back will even attempt to employ the native accent of the respective languages in same voice. So you can as well see here, but this is French. There is you can as well embed emotions like there are non-speech sounds like laughter, laugh, sigh, music, gasp, as well as clearing throat, or maybe hesitation, song lyrics, capitalization for emphasis of word, man, woman, for best word speaker. Yeah. So what we are going to do, okay, I have tested uh, to run this on Hugging Face, but the QA is a bit wrong. So we are going to use the Corab Google playground, so as we are not going to wait that much. So maybe you can have a demonstration here. Have already,
Uno and
yeah,
and
you
I
can
like
see.
pizza. But I also have other interests such as playing tic-tac-toe.
Yeah, that's the, as you can see it here, it's already the original prompt provided by the Suno AI developers, that is. So for you to clone, you have to go to their GitHub here, Suno AI and slash back. Then you can read about it here. Back is a transformer-based text-to-audio model created by Suno. Back can generate highly realistic multilingual speech as well as other audio, including music, background noise, and simple sound effects. The model can also produce non-verbal communication like laughing, singing, sighing, and crying. So you can clone it either on your Hugging Face account or in the Google Core app. So what I've done, I've already cloned it on my, I have already saved it in my drive, Google Space drive. So what you're going to do, you're going to run it to install. As you can see, it's a simple procedure to do. So let me show you what you do. I will just prompt you press on this ring, it will open on Google Core app. uh, with this creation is big becoming amazing, and as well as shocking. The okay, it's already opened. So if you don't want to share your email, what you do, you always come on this file option here, and then save a copy in drive. So in my case, I've already done that, so I'm not going to save it again. So this is my copy which I've already saved in my drive. So what I'm going to do, we're going to click on this for installation purposes. It's going to do its thing, download cron from GitHub, this one, then it will uninstall a touch vision touch audio versions. I bet these are old versions. Then it will install this new version or the specific one that back is using. So it's going to install. Yeah, and one thing to note, on your runtime here, you have to make sure the hardware accelerator is selected as GPU. Yeah, it seems my session crashed. Yeah, it is consuming a lot of GPU and CPU, so we are going to run it again. Click run. Yeah, as it is installing, make sure to subscribe on this channel. As you can see, it is now downloading touch, downloading all the dependencies. Yeah, and it is doing well. It is generating those or mimicking the real human voices. So don't forget to subscribe on this channel. Make sure to like this video, share it with others, so as we can keep running on and yeah, and improving on this, as well as we can add other features. You can go back to the GitHub channel, clone this, improve it, and then you just come on and you pull a request, then submit the added features that you have implemented, that is, and if it is accepted, it will be merged. So yeah, the installation is ongoing, so it is installing the dependencies. In fact, by using the Google Crab, you don't have to have those huge machines, although sometimes like large models it keep crashing because it consumes a lot of CPU and GPU. It utilizes all the resources. So as you can see here, the RAM is already using 10 GB, but the GPU is not in use. In this case, it is being used when running or training the model, that is, or when you are processing your prompt, that is from text to speech in this scenario. So you can as well subscribe to have more resources here, but as well you can practice with the free resources provided you by Google. You just have to have an account, then you can just come online and then search for Google Coral. And the funny thing, this thing is kind of embedded or connected with the Google Drive. So you just search for corab.research.google.com. Yeah, and then from here you can create your notebook. You can see I've created several. Then you can have examples. You can open from the one you have saved in your Google Drive. You can as well search maybe or clone from GitHub directly, and then you can as well upload it. For instance, let's say you are developing yours, and you don't have enough resources, you can upload it here and then continue developing it and learning on these free sources provided you freely by Google. Then it's let's see, it is taking some times, but this you have to run it the first time, then the rest you don't have to install these dependencies. And a point to note, every time you learn this, you have to install, because when you close this notebook, all the runtime get cleared. So that's a point to note. So whenever you come to run it next time, you have to start afresh. That is, yeah, it is installing collected packages. Yeah. In this, we are living in amazing times, yeah, and starting the ChatGPT, yeah, and it's kind of a revolution we are seeing right now, because so many of these AI have yeah, you can see to have finished installing. So the next step is just as simple as you to run these basics, then you can input your prompt or the text you want to be converted into speech with those kind of emotion, like the one I'm inputting right now. You can see, you can hear something like you just pause, you can laugh, yeah, you import those on your text and then press process. So you from this cell, you can see we are importing back from sample it, you back, then you import the sample it, crisis or function, generate audio and preloaded models. So then from you can display using this Python module from Jupyter, that is. So you're going to run it. It is going to download a large model around 5 GB. I don't know. Let me then see. Yeah, I keep checking with the resources. You can see it's already on this code here, preload models. Basically what it is, this model you can kind of plug and play. Yeah, just come hit on this, it will do its installation, then you come on this cell, press it, it will start running. Yeah, I don't know why it's taking a lot of time, but let's have patience and wait. maybe I don't know whether it is my network, or I can see resources are being used, but I don't know whether it is downloading background. But the first time I ran it, there were, yeah, I bet it has completed. So here was you input your text with those kind of emotions, or non what do we call, non-speech sounds, yeah, as you can see here. So I'm going to run, then I'm going first to delete this, as this is just a basic learning. So we are going to press on this. It is going to process this and output it. It is already started here. You can see it is generating our audio in the background, kind of cloning, because these are text prompt. They are being outsourced or generated from the pre-trained voices, or kind of cloning in the background, that is. Yeah, with this is a bit faster, because with the Hugging Face a lot of people are trying it, and you have to be waiting there. But this one, you know, you are using it alone. Yeah, it has finished. Let's wait and see. And we have our text, our audio here. Let's
Hey there,
play.
my name is Jack, and I have a confession to make. I am absolutely obsessed with machine learning. But hey, who isn't, right? I also enjoy writing Python code.
Yeah, that's our voice. So then here, you can as well input history. Mm, Let me just copy it here. History prompt. Then select the speaker you want. I'm going to show you. Yeah, retrobit. So all this does, if you come back here to like the Hugging Face playground, you can see you can select the voice you want it to speak. So that's where you're going to apply the historical prompt text prompt, and then input your speaker. So if you change this code, you have to run this share again for it to generate the audio. And you can keep changing this in respect these to these voices here. So let's wait for it to finish, and we are going to listen to it. As you can see, it has already completed. Let's play it.
Hey there, my name's Jack, and I have a confession to make. I'm absolutely obsessed with machine learning. Hey, who isn't, right? I also enjoy writing Python code and articles. That's inside my head.
uh, can see, you can hear it. Yeah, it's as simple as that. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on this channel, like this video, and share it with others for us to keep learning on this amazing AI game being created. And as well as if you are a programmer, you can go on this GitHub and make changes or contribute to these generations, as we can improve on it. So that's for today, guys. See you on the next one. Cheers guys, I'm out.